So guys, we're gonna make slime. So I found a recipe. So get some soap. I'm using this soap from Stereo. My mom is absolutely bro. Look at this. She has a spray bottle, soap, everything. And so I'm gonna use this. So the ingredients are soap and paper toilet. Paper toilet is right here. So I'm gonna add a few at each time. Then you gotta keep mixing. I don't have anything to mix right now. Got it. So we're using a spoon, but the other side of it. Okay, this is the. I forgot to rip it. It would be a fail. We're gonna add some more soap. No, wait, didn't pour it in. I need, oh my god. The bottom was fell in the sink. Okay, that's a lot. This feels like I'm making potions. So this is how it's looking. It kind of looks blue on the camera, but it's not blue. It's more gray. Bro, my sweatshirt is dirty because I was eating in the turd. We're gonna keep adding, and then the final result. I can't pronounce things. The final of it will be posted like 10 or 20 minutes. And you don't have to put it in the refrigerator. Refrigerator free, glue free, no activator. And it actually works, I think. Oh my god, I think I added too much toilet paper. It's going in my hands. Oh.